May I present to you the All You Need to Know About People lecture series on the word enthusiastic. Bersemangat, bersemangat. Enthusiastic, enthusiastic. Bersemangat means enthusiastic. Let's go on to the vocabulary. The first word is sangat, sangat. Sangat means very. The second word is menulis, menulis, and this means write. The third word is cerita, cerita, and this means story. The last word is pertama, pertama, and this means first. Here is our sentence example. Saya sangat bersemangat untuk menulis cerita pertama saya. Saya sangat bersemangat untuk menulis cerita pertama saya. This means I am very enthusiastic to be able to write my first story. Dear student, congratulations! You have completed this lecture.